So ngayon, let's ask, give me brief explanation about this. Give me brief explanation about this. Ito and STCW. So, for those of you seafarers, I know very familiar kayo sa yung MLC at saka STCW, and yeah, okay. So AI is already generating the answer, no? MLC 2006 and STCW are international agreements daw siya, that set standards for the treatment and training of seafarers worldwide. Think of them as a global rule book for sailors. Okay. MLC, Maritime Labor Convention 2006. This is like a super important rule book focusing on the working and living conditions for seafarers. It sets the minimum standards for things like wages, working hours, safety, healthcare, and reputation, getting sailors home safely. Okay? It aims to make sure that sailors are treated fairly and safely. Okay, yan yung purpose ng MLC. STCW, Standards of Training, Certification, and Watchkeeping for Seafarers. This one focuses on training and skills of seafarers. It sets minimum standards for the training and certification of seafarers, ensuring that they have the necessary skills and qualifications to do their job safely and competently. It's all about making sure sailors are well trained. Okay? Both are important because they aim to improve safely and protect the welfare of seafarers globally. The Philippines, by including them in this Magna Carta, shows its commitment to upholding these international standards for its seafarers.